So we are done with the wrapping of the rice sabos, OMO SAABO.
Hello brothers, sisters, how y'all doing? This is your boy Cookie with Sindaco, and I'm back again with another great content from Econ in Central Region. So in today's video, I'll be taking you back to Gold Coast area. It's one of the food that has been in existence till now, and most tribes in Ghana love this food. It's mostly eaten in the afternoon and it's been tagged as snack. Very easy to prepare and with simple ingredients. Food or snack is called Ghanaian wrapped rice and locally known as OMO SAABO. But before we start, can you share the video if you believe in authentic content or video and subscribe to the page or channel? Let's do this, Orokodo. So to prepare this food, you have to soak the rice overnight to make it tender, and that will also help cut down the boiling time. You also need to soak the corn husks for some hours because that's what you'll be using to wrap the rice, and also you soak the peanut for some hours as well. But if you really want everything to cook fast, then you have to soak all these three things overnight, which is the rice, the corn husks, and the peanuts.
Make sure that I wash the rice to get the starch out. This is also a delicious snack in Ghana, and almost all the tribes loves it. Okay, some use different kind of leaves to wrap it.
My wife they cry for
I say soaker. Okay, so we're soaking the rice. We pour our peanuts, raw peanuts, inside the bowl. We soak or we wash our peanuts as well. So they soak one. Okay, how many minutes? This is here, okay. It's AB. It's simple. Okay, so if you don't have the thread or any rope to tie it, you just take some of the corn husk and you fold it like that. Okay, then it went to you have something like this. Wow. So we have our soaked. You see the water? Yeah, the water has changed to the color of the peanuts. I'm saying or easy. So you take some of the rice, it goes in like that. Wow, then take some of the peanuts. Wow, you mix it inside like that. It's offensive too. Wow. Then you take some of the corn husks, then you cover it like that. You fold it. Wow, now you put this side, now you cover it. My mommy will experience too much. We experience no soon. Then you tie it. Wow. 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 Easy. I'm like too simple. Oh mia. Well, look at this.
Wow. I go pay you tomorrow. If I boozo, I go forget my problems. If I boozo, I go forget my worries. If I boozo, I go forget my sorrows. So I holla in my house. I go pay you tomorrow. Too much trouble, so my head, oh. So much wahala in my house, oh. Waiting, I go do, I go pay.
Man, it's not easy. The smoke and everything. See my eyes, it's red. And so basically, we are doing two things at the same time. Okay, so over there is the pitting, and here is OMO SAABO. All by this lady. This is her phone number 0593879714. So if you are Cape Coast Central Region, Western, even Accra, and you want to have authentic pitting, rice, OMO SAABO, SAABO la pewa, abodo, just name it. This local food snacks. This lady does it. She has been doing it for ages, and she has amazing experience. She's been doing this from Ghana to Cote d'Ivoire. So can you imagine? So we are done with the wrapping of the rice sabos, OMO SAABO. Okay. Yeah. So we're using some of the leaves. Okay, to boil. You don't want the OMO SAABO to have a direct contact with the pot. Okay. Yeah, so it goes in like that. Wow. Then this is so straight. Anten fan to. This two okay. So you place them vertically, okay, so that this will prevent water from entering. So vertically arrangement. Anyway, actually, in whatever of what they classes record what they
teacher
did replied. After arranging them, the second will come. Can go either vertical or horizontal. Now we are add salt to it. Okay, so bear in mind that salt wasn't added to the rice. Okay, we now add salt to it like this. This trip, I'm campaigning against the use of the rubber for cooking. Okay, so we have our leaves over here to cover the sabo. So as you can see, okay. So normally they use rubber to cover this, but I said no, I don't want that thing to happen. Okay. So we're cutting down the use of rubber to eliminate some of the diseases that we are encountering as human beings in Africa. We now add water to it. Okay. So we now have the sabo on fire. So we'll be adding this stone on top of it. So we just washed it. Okay, if there's any sand. Number chance they use to chest if in water. About to press it down. Okay, so you can't cover it with the lid because when it starts boiling it will come up. So the stone is the right thing to do or to use. It's been like almost getting close to 1 hour since we have this on fire. So about to unwrap it to see if it's okay or not. So this was one of the early ones that we wrapped it. Okay. So basically, since we didn't soak the rice, that's why it's taking this much time to cook. Okay. But normally, if you soak the rice, you have like 30 minutes and to be ready. So if you want to do OMO SAABO, soak your rice overnight and you're okay. So basically, when the water drains, you have to add some to it. Okay. Is that okay. So it's not ready. It's been almost 1 hour, 10 or 15 minutes. Yeah. As I said, because we didn't soak the rice. Man, the flavor coming, the aroma, amazing. So we have something like this. Okay, this is the final result of OMO SAABO. Okay, so since it's hot, you can decide to let it cool down before you eat it, or you can eat it hot like that. But you have to be careful as well, as I said. So basically, you see the rice and the peanuts inside. The flavor of the rice, the aroma of the rice still exists over here now. Okay, so basically it's like eating rice with the peanuts, okay, like that. So this is a perfect snack for we Ghanaians, especially Akans, okay, those in the certain parts of Ghana. We love to eat this in the afternoon. And man, so delicious, really delicious. Amazing. I heard they also have a different one that they replace the peanuts with beef, okay. So they have the beef inside, then you wrap it and you boil it. Yeah. Yeah, so that's for today, and you've seen the steps in the process. I believe you can watch it and also prepare some OMO SAABO for yourself, okay? Remember to soak a rice overnight before you start boiling it or start wrapping it. You can also boil it straightforward if you want to, but this will give you some extended time to for the boiling, okay? So if this is the first time watching, kindly subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother. Cooking with Sindaco, describing local food for us Africans, Ghanaians, and to the world. Let's meet again for Shizuma Nizzle. I'm out.